Welcome to my 165-year-old stone cottage, and today I am taking on the biggest project I've ever attempted. I'm about to smash a massive hole straight through my stunning slate kitchen floor. Why is that? To carve out a new path beneath the house to create a staircase leading down into the cellar. It's a forgotten space, and one day will hold shelves of wine, echo with laughter, and double up as a hard-working utility room. I've already run into problems, unexpected ones. Stone does not give up without a fight, but neither do I.
In the last video we were taking up the slate tiles, the asphalt floor and part of the Yorkshire stone flags, which as you can see is that we've got this one and obviously this one to remove. But one of the first jobs that I need to do, and I've never, believe it or not, I've never done any sort of plumbing in my life before, is cap this radiator off. Once this is capped off, because this is obviously sitting on that Yorkshire stone flag, once we've capped that radiator off, we can grind down this edge here, getting rid of these, get a nice clean fit there, and once these two flags are out, we can start taking the floor out, and these joists, what we have below us. I can honestly say though, I'm quite nervous doing this, but I'm also very excited because once I've got the hole there and I've got like a rough estimate on what type of stairs I still don't know what type of stairs I'm going to be able to fit in here yet, but from my comments on my last video, thank you to everyone that commented on it and gave me like some heads up and stuff. I think we may be going with some sort of like, is it called a paddle staircase? Well, they are quite steep, but I've looked at them and yeah, I feel like they may be the best fit for this type of project. Possibly going down there or possibly going down here. But one thing that I have got, and I'm going to take you downstairs now and show you, honestly, since being in this house, I've never once turned my stop top off. But I think that this is it downstairs, so let's turn it off and see what happens. Praying nothing happens. Right, I believe that is my stop top, so I'm going to turn that and see what it looks like. Oh no, what's that? Oh no, water's coming out of that. No, water's coming out of that. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Right, that tap obviously goes up to here, so I'm taking this down. Let's see what's underneath. Right, so my stop tap goes up there, which is under my sink. I'm texting the people about the house, asking where the stop tap is. I can't find it. I know there's one outside to the street, but I don't want to be turning that one off. Ringing my neighbour. Hi Maggie, you okay? Yeah, that's right. But all I'm doing, I'm just capping a radiator off because I just want to cap a certain radiator off. But for me to do that, I need to drain my system, don't I? Neighbour thought upstairs under my stairs. I just had all my understairs out, which was absolutely rammed. And yeah, not there. I am going to my stop tap at the front of my house, which, check this out. So I've just opened this up and it's just absolutely, surely, is that right? Full of mud. Right, I'm gonna just put my hand in there, but don't laugh at me, I have got no gloves. I need some gloves, so I've put my golf glove on. Oh my God. Oh. Do you know what? I actually think I'm not going to bother with that. I think I am just going to turn my... I'm just going to have to do it without turning the water off. Let's see how it goes. That'll do. So I've been told if I turn these clockwise, It'll shut the valves off, then bleed it, and then undo these nuts, and that should be all right. Clockwise. Could do with an adjustable really, so I'll turn these anti-clockwise. Must be closed now, they're absolutely tight. So the next thing is to bleed it. Now that is what I was looking for. Adjustable. Oh my God. God help me. I need an adjustable. This is not big enough. So I'm gonna have to go out and buy an adjustable spanner. Right, I've got my grips. Now we can undo these nuts. Now I'm more bothered about water coming out of here as well, because there's nothing underneath. Don't be worried about the water. Oh my God, look at that. Nice little water feature going on there. Gonna come off. Oh my God, it's actually heavier than you think. Look at that. Must have been like a grey colour before it. Cool. These old radiators are so nice though. I've actually got another one of these downstairs, which I'm gonna use. But let's put that there for now. Let me move this out of the way. So my next job, gonna take this flag out, this flag out. I'm probably gonna smash them up to be fair, and I'm gonna cut this with my angle grinder, get a nice neat coat on it, and yeah, hopefully we'll get it all out. And then it's taking the wood out then, which is the easy part. Do you know what? One of you said in my comments to use eye protection, and oh my God, that's just really hurt. A piece of Yorkshire stone has just hit me in the eye. Thank you, Trade Shades. I'm going to be wearing these from now on because oh my God, that was my eye's still actually really hurting. But it's kind of given me a chance to let the dust settle. Can I just get that? Brilliant. A little piece of that's the way to do it. Whoa, it's gone straight through. Oh. Come on. Ready to take the floor out. Let's get it. So what I've just noticed, now we've got the floor ready to be taken out, these sit on that, and I'm going to be keeping that in for now anyway. So I'm going to run my circuit up these floorboards here, and yeah, get ready to take that out. This Hullifer's nail bar is absolutely unreal. I love it. See, if you look at this timber, look at that. It was on its way out anyway, needed to go. So happy I took these out. Oh my God. Look at that. Actually looking at it now, should easily have enough space there. Easily. But oh my god. I've gone scared. But yeah, no, all I need to do now, I need to have a good tidy up and clean up. I do believe I'm going to have to cut them off flush with the brickwork. They go right in. I'm hoping they don't run through to next doors. Definitely need to order a skip. Me and my van there, get a skip on the drive. Then I can start putting all this rubbish in, what I'm taking out, because yeah, I could probably reuse some of this, but as of now, I need a skip badly. Let's actually go down. Let's go down and see. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. So yeah, the next part of my project, I think what I'm going to be doing is this plywood here, I'm going to take all this down and then pretty much neaten up all this, get it all neatened up, and then yeah, start planning on what we're going to do next. If you like this content and you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Drop me a comment, any ideas that you want to share with me. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you everyone for the love on the last few videos. I'll see you on the next one. I'm going to tidy up all of this. Yeah, see you later.